Good morning everyone. Today I will discuss with you two important questions. Very first, to find the density of an irregular solid using measuring cylinder, and then by using Eureka can. For the calculation of density of irregular solid by using measuring cylinder, our requirements are measuring cylinder, irregular solid, thread, laboratory stand, beam balance to measure the mass of given solid. Very first, measure the mass of given solid, that will be mg. Now we have to fill the measuring cylinder partly with the water. At that, measure the level of water and let the level of water be equal to V1 ml. Then suspend the given solid with the help of thread in the water such that no water splashes out of the measuring cylinder and the level of water will be V2 ml. Then we have to calculate by subtracting the volume V2 minus V1 ml. We get the exact volume, and by using this formula, density is equal to mass over volume, we can find the density of irregular solid. In the second, when we have to use a Eureka can in place of measuring cylinder, simply we have to Eureka can. As you know that Eureka can has opening near its top, that is called spout. When we fill this Eureka can with water, it starts overflowing through spout and that water will be dropped into this measuring cylinder. We have to wait till water stops dripping from the spout. Then we have to dry this measuring cylinder and put it under the spout again. Now we have to suspend the irregular solid with the help of thread into the Eureka can. After immersing the solid into this Eureka can, water start overflowing through the spout that will drop into this measuring cylinder till the last drop will emerge out from the spout, and that is the exact volume of this solid. And by using this formula, density is equal to mass over volume, we can calculate the density of given irregular solid by using Eureka can also. After finding the volume, we have to calculate the mass as well of given solid. Then we can apply this formula to calculate the density. As you already know that solid, when immersed fully in a liquid, it displaces liquid equal to its own volume. The amount of liquid that is displaced is the exact volume of the given solid. This method is also known as the displacement method. It means to say that we can find the density of irregular solid with the help of measuring cylinder, with the help of Eureka can. Before we have to start this, we have to first calculate the mass with the help of common beam balance, and then later on we have to calculate the volume of the given irregular solid. And last, we have to apply this formula, density is equal to mass over volume. Next, we have to find the measurement of density of a given liquid. To find the density of given liquid, very first we have to calculate the mass of the liquid, that is measured with the help of common beam balance, and then its volume, that is measured with the help of measuring vessel. Further, our requirements are beam balance, measuring weights, given liquid, measuring cylinder, and measuring beaker. Very first, we have to measure the mass of empty beaker, that will be m1 gram. Then we have to put the given liquid into the measuring beaker up to the certain level, and then its volume is equal to VmL. After the liquid pouring into the empty beaker, again we have to measure its mass, and that will be equal to m2 gram. Now we have to calculate the exact mass of the given liquid, that is the difference between two masses, m2 minus m1 gram. And by using the formula density is equal to mass over volume, we can find the density of given liquid. Further, for this density bottle is there. To find the density of a given liquid, density bottle is a bottle of non-volume which can be weighed empty first and then with the liquid, density of which is to be found. It is a small bottle having a plug at its neck. It has different capacity to store the volume of a given liquid, and the range is 20 ml to 100 ml. The plug has a narrow opening through it. Excess liquid overflows through this hole. The bottle will have the same volume of the liquid whenever it is used. Its capacity, that is a 50 ml. If we use density bottle to find out the density of liquid, then all material requirements are common beam balance, density bottle, measuring weights, wiping cloth, and given liquid in water. For this, how we have to proceed? Firstly, we have to take the mass of an empty dry density bottle by using the beam balance. Mass of an empty dry density bottle, that will be mass is equal to m1 gram. Fill the bottle with water and insert the stopper. Excess water overflows through the opening of the stopper. Dry the outer body and then measure the mass of the bottle, that will be m2 gram. Now empty the bottle again, dry it and fill it with the given liquid. Insert the stopper. Excess liquid overflow through the opening. Dry the outer part and then measure the mass of the bottle. Then weight will be m3 gram. Now mass of the water is equal to m2 minus m1 gram and mass of liquid is equal to m3 minus m1 gram. Then relative density we can calculate as mass of liquid over mass of equal volume of water, that is equal to m3 minus m1 over m2 minus m1. Further, if density is 1 gram centimeter per cube, 1 gram per centimeter cube, so mass of the water is equal to volume of the water is equal to volume of the bottle, that is equal to volume of liquid. So density of liquid is equal to mass of liquid over volume of the liquid. Mass of the liquid is equal to m3 minus m1 and volume of the liquid is equal to m2 minus m1, that is gram per centimeter cube. Next is relative density, that makes more clear regarding the previous activity. The question is, what is relative density? Relative density of a substance is defined as the ratio of the density of the substance to the density of a standard or reference material, that may be water. In simple word, we can say that density of substance divided by density of standard material is called relative density of a substance. It is also known as a specific gravity. Density of substance when compared to the density of water is given special name called specific gravity. that is equal to density of the substance divided by density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. As density of substance over density of water at a particular temperature, that is 4 degrees Celsius. Since density is equal to mass over volume, so if we take the equal volume of given substance and water, then relative density of particular substance is equal to mass of any volume of substance divided by mass of same volume of water. Or in simple word, relative density of substance is the ratio of mass of any volume of substance to mass of same volume of water.